Hello, I'm Natalie Glasson from the Sacred School of OmNa, and this week's channeled message is from Lord Melchizedek, and it's entitled Awakening Nature and Creating a Portal of Fulfillment, channeled through myself, Natalie Glasson, on the 15th of September 2017. It is with the light and love of the universe that I, Lord Melchizedek, come forth to be in your presence. You have access to the light and love of the universe. You are aligned with everything that exists within the universe of the Creator, and can therefore bring it through your being into manifestation. You are a powerful receiver, an emanator of light and wisdom. It is through your direct link to your intuition and the knowledge of your soul that you can manifest the Creator upon the earth. Do not think of yourself as lacking. Everything you need and require is present within you. You are a guardian of the universe of the Creator. You know how to harness the energies and bring the divine will of the Creator into manifestation. The divine will of the Creator encourages you to feel and experience fulfillment. This is all the Creator wishes for you, and the same for all beings. In order to accept the divine will of the Creator, and therefore experience fulfillment within your being and reality, there is a need to understand what fulfillment feels like for you. How would you feel within your being and reality if you were completely and absolutely fulfilled? I'm not asking, what do you need or want in order to experience fulfillment? Nor am I asking you how you believe you could be fulfilled. Instead, I wish for you to connect with the energy of fulfillment within you. Seek the feelings and sensations, states of being and perspectives of being completely and absolutely fulfilled, without receiving, asking for, or doing anything. When you discover the source of fulfillment within you, accessing and embodying it fully, then you are experiencing the divine will of the Creator. You are in the flow of the Creator, attracting experiences and situations which are in alignment with the energy of fulfillment within you. In truth, your inner reality manifests into your outer reality. You begin to receive the Creator, emanate the Creator's light, and manifest the light of the Creator to aid your fulfillment. Expectations can hinder your experience of fulfillment. There is a fine line between focusing upon that which you wish to experience and dictating to the Creator that manifestations can only occur in the way you perceive they should. When you focus on an idea, you are sharing with the Creator an expression of something you would like to receive or experience. When you believe that a manifestation can only occur one way, you are hindering the flow and expansion of the Creator. You are shutting yourself down and blocking yourself from receiving. You become the wall before you that obstructs your view of all the gifts being shared with you. Place your trust in the Creator and know that the Creator will deliver to you all that you require. The beautiful part is that it will be more magnificent than you could ever imagine. All you have to do is access the energy within you that is the fullest, most sacred expression of that which you wish to experience. Being of service with fulfillment. When you access the energy and source of fulfillment within your being, you allow every part of your being to exist in harmony with the Creator. Therefore, nothing is out of place. You receive all that you require with divine timing, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically. You also align yourself with the Creator to support acceptance and manifestation of fulfillment within others and their realities. Your mission becomes to help others fulfill themselves by connecting with the Creator's vibration of fulfillment within them and encouraging them to express fulfillment throughout all aspects of their being. You allow others to recognize their divine self and align their realities to this aspect of themselves. The Creator will then bring into your life souls who are ready to experience fulfillment. Many may wish to experience fulfillment spiritually, moving to the next levels of their ascension. Fulfillment and nature. I, Lord Melchizedek, am speaking to you of fulfillment because there are many aspects of Mother Earth who are waiting to experience an activation that will allow them to access new levels of consciousness, wisdom, and Creator essence. When you have mastered the energy, flow, and manifestation of fulfillment in your reality, so you become a master of being of service to others and assist many with ascension activations. Fulfillment is to be aligned with the Creator. You are naturally of service in beautiful and miraculous ways to others. Mother Earth, the nature kingdom, and the elemental kingdoms are waiting for many light workers on the earth to access fulfillment. In doing so, light workers will be able to recognize the presence and consciousness of fulfillment within Mother Earth, the nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms. Such a recognition will be a symbol and an activation to Mother Earth. The nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms, that they can evolve to bring more light and truth to the earth. Mother Earth, the nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms are constantly anchoring light, love, and wisdom into the reality of the earth and humanity. It is only when the consciousness of humanity rises that they can bring forth higher vibrations, realize new wisdom, and anchor truth. As you recognize the energy of fulfillment in Mother Earth, the nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms, so they project the same back to you from their essence. Together, as you are projecting the energy of fulfillment to each other, both of you ascend in vibration, feeling yourselves being bathed in the Creator's light and essence. Together you create a portal which draws light, love, and consciousness from the Creator, aligned with and to manifest the energy of fulfillment into the earth. A downpour of powerful light and wisdom is anchored into all areas and kingdoms of Mother Earth, creating a surge in the light of all. Many will feel they can achieve their dreams and desires with greater ease. Some may feel a deeper connection and communication with the Creator, while others will feel more hope and happiness in their lives. In truth, through the creation and opening of the portal, you will be healing each person's pain of experiencing lack and aligning them with their natural energies of fulfillment within them. This will create a powerful shift in the consciousness of humanity, allowing many new vibrations of ascension to anchor and manifest. Healing the pain of lack is immensely powerful, as it means that humanity will no longer create from the energy of lack, instead the energy of abundance and fulfillment. This creates a completely different vibration and even reality upon the earth. How to awaken nature and create a portal of fulfillment. I, Lord Melchizedek, wish to share and summarize some steps to guide you to be of service in activating nature and creating a portal of fulfillment with Mother Earth, the nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms. Number 1. Seek, connect, and explore the source of the energy of fulfillment in existence within your being. Connect with your heart and soul. Ask to be directed inwardly to recognize and realize the energy of fulfillment within you. It may be a sensation, feeling, thought, or acknowledgement. As you unite with the energy of fulfillment, allow it to expand, filling your entire being and expanding beyond your auric field. Enjoy and connect often with the energy of fulfillment within you, gaining a deep understanding and familiarity with the energy. Number 2. When in nature, recognize that each aspect of nature holds the Creator's energy of fulfillment. This is a beautiful and abundant energy which brings great joy and happiness. Recognize that you can communicate with, connect and co-create with any aspect of nature, such as Mother Earth, the nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms. When in nature, connect with the energy of fulfillment within your being. Then from the state of emanating fulfillment, observe your chosen aspect of nature. Allow yourself to recognize the Creator's energy of fulfillment that is present. Observe how this manifests with different aspects of nature. Simply achieving this will create an activation within Mother Earth, the nature kingdoms and elemental kingdoms. They will be able to access more light, love and consciousness, delivering it to the earth. Number 3. When you feel as if you are able to recognize or acknowledge the presence of fulfillment within your being and Mother Earth or nature, you can then begin to co-create a portal of fulfillment to assist in healing humanity. With your energy of fulfillment emanating, and a recognition of the energy of fulfillment in your chosen aspect of nature, use the below invocation to create a portal drawing healing and fulfillment into the earth and humanity. I am present with you, chosen aspect of nature, emanating the Creator's essence of fulfillment. With support and love from the inner planes and Lord Melchizedek, we now merge our energy and essence of fulfillment to create a powerful portal of light. The intention of our creation of the portal is to anchor the Creator's energy of fulfillment into the earth and humanity. May humanity be healed, releasing all past experiences and wounds of lack. May lack be replaced with the energy of fulfillment, activating from within their beings, drawing forth experiences of fulfillment, love, peace, and truth. Let the portal activate and the healing begin. I allow myself to be of service most magnificently and appropriately. Thank you. Visualize, sense, or acknowledge a portal or whirlwind of light forming before you from the energy of the aspect of nature you are working with and your own essence. Imagine light pouring into the earth and humanity. Let yourself be guided as you co-create a deep healing for yourself and humanity. This practice can be achieved with numerous aspects of Mother Earth, with different trees, flowers, mountains, plants, rivers, fairies, elementals, nature spirits, and of course Mother Earth. Let yourself co-create a portal of fulfillment whenever you are experiencing nature, creating numerous portals with different aspects of Mother Earth will not only serve humanity, but allow you to become a master of the energy of fulfillment, feeling fulfilled in every moment of your day and sharing this with others. In constant support for your love and magnificence, Lord Melchizedek.